there are moments when you have to say something to make Allah be happy with you. May Allah be pleased with you. And sometimes some words you forget, and that makes Allah angry with you. So that's a mention in the Surah Kahf, the story of the person who was very arrogant to his companion. And he was saying that I have many big houses and I have many children and I have big gardens. And he was boasting about all this, and he was showing arrogance that I have so much these things. And then what Allah did, Allah destroyed his gardens. Allah sent a fire on his garden, and his gardens were destroyed. And then Allah said, why didn't you say when you enter to your garden, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. That's whatever I have, this, whatever happened to me, all these blessings, it is by the will of Allah. And there is no power except Allah. So that can make you, whatever the blessings with you, will be prolonged with you, will not be taken away from you. So it's very important for us to thank to Allah by saying Alhamdulillah, by saying MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. Example, if someone say, oh, you have so many blessings, so you must immediately say MashaAllah, that it is because of Allah. And that can be make us, those blessings will be multiplied by Allah to us. Never to forget it. Even if someone is praising our children, they are good looking, then we must say MashaAllah. That will makes, we are giving all the credit to Allah. That is all Allah is given us, and is all we are created by Allah. And all these blessings are from Allah. Some people, I saw, they are so much arrogant, they show, oh, I have this and this and this. I have big houses and I have these big properties and I am very rich. And one day I can see them, they are destroyed. Allah taken from them. So it is very, very important to say, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. Allah commanded it in the Quran. And even in the same Surah Kahf, Allah said to Prophet Muhammad, why didn't you say Inshallah? Because there was a time when people asked the 3 questions to Prophet Muhammad, and he said, I will answer you tomorrow. And Allah did not send the answer to him. Rather, Allah tell him to Prophet Muhammad, why you didn't say Illa Inshallah? I can do it this one if there is a will of Allah. That's another very important thing, very, very important lesson. Never forget these 2 words, Inshallah and MashaAllah. Inshallah, when you want to do something, never forget it. Inshallah, inshallah. If there is a will of Allah, I'll be able to do it. And when you say Inshallah, it means you have a intention to do it. Some people, they just say Inshallah means they have no plan to do. That's a deception.